What is up? Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to look at the Python descriptor methods, the get, set, and also the delete. So descriptors are a powerful Python feature that customize how attributes are accessed, assigned, and also deleted, and these special methods form the descriptor protocol, enabling fine-grained control over attribute behavior in classes. And mastering descriptors reveals techniques used in frameworks like Django and SQL Alchemy, where property classes often triggers database operations behind the scenes. So the get, set, delete, what do they actually do? So Python's descriptor protocol uses three special methods to manage attribute access. So the get, which is self object, and then type is called to none, is called when accessing object.attribute, and it returns the attribute's computed value. When accessed via class, obj is actually none. We also have the set, which is self, obj, and also value, which is invoked when assigning a value, which is in parentheses obj.attribute. attr is called to value, handles validation or transformation of values. We also have the delete, okay, into in parentheses self and obj, which is called when deleting an attribute, deleting obj.attr in parentheses manages cleanup before the removal. So that's it right here for you. If you don't understand anything, we can do a practical demonstration in another video for you. Thank you for watching.